I wanted to share a few things that I've been reflecting on lately, things that might be helpful to you if you're going through a period of indecision or struggling with the demands of things. It is essential to fill your own cup before you can fill anyone else's. To fill your cup means to replenish or to refill those stores of mental, emotional, and physical energy that you have within you. It means that you need to stop and recharge your batteries. So that's resting and doing things that bring you joy, spending time with the people that you love. These are the things that refill and replenish our cups. Now, traditionally, I have not been very good at this. I have an unsustainable habit of giving everything until my cup is completely drained, and then I keep on going regardless. I keep giving and doing to my own detriment. I wonder if you can relate to that. So this is the context behind my recent decision to stop producing videos on the English YouTube channel. And I guess that I wanted to share it with you because for such a long time, I've tried to keep showing up despite my cup being empty. And it has taken me a long time to give myself permission to step away, to close the door, and to focus my energy on something new and something else. And I really needed to feel like I was stepping away gracefully, with joy and with gratitude for everything that came from English, all the opportunities that have come from that channel. And through that channel, Hey Lady came into existence. And Hey Lady has been built off the back of English. It has been powered by English. And so for that, I'm nothing but grateful. So if any of you are at a point in life where you feel like the right thing to do is to change, but it might mean upsetting someone, or in my case, many people, I really hope this video helps you or encourages you to do what feels right, even if it's hard. Do whatever you must to keep your cup filled to overflowing. The person that you are when your cup is overflowing is the one that you want to be, and the one that everyone who you love around you needs you to be.